In this trial here in front of me, we're looking at a very different type of fertiliser product. It's called an organo-mineral fertiliser. It has an organic base to it, so it could be livestock manure based, could be digestate, could even be a waste product. It's then fortified with some mineral fertiliser to increase the nutritional value of the product. They're NPK products, so they contain nitrogen, phosphate and potash. What we've got here in front of me is the zero N plot, so zero fertiliser plot. This hasn't received any fertiliser at all, and it's therefore then the comparator to all the treatments that we then have in the trial that we compare to this plot. First plot that I'm coming up to now, this has just had nitrogen fertiliser, so no phosphate and potash, but up to the top rate, which is 200 kilos of nitrogen. We then compare that to the next plot. This has received the same rate of nitrogen, but with the P&K that is the organo-mineral product. We're then comparing that to exactly the same rate of NP&K, but as mineral fertilisers. So 3 comparators in terms of this full rate. Then as we work down these treatments, we're actually reducing the fertiliser rates. So the ones that we're walking past now, they've only received 160 kilos of nitrogen. So we're seeing if those lower rates can perform to the same level as the higher rates. And as we get to these plots now, we're right down to 120 kilos of nitrogen. And you can really start to see a reduction in crop height. We can also see a thinner crop, and there's definitely more senescence, that the crop is starting to feel that lack of nitrogen. So what we'll hopefully be able to test in this trial here is how this new type of product performs in comparison to our standard products, which will be really useful as we see these products starting to come onto the marketplace in the next year or two.